Go ahead.
What's up, friends? I'm Dr. Donald. This is Dr. Ben, and we're going to talk about a great routine that is good for stress, right? Emotional stress, physical stress, whatever it may be. If you're running high on stress, this is a great reset button. So we're going to be talking about breathing today. Anything you want to add on some scenarios maybe would be good for, or anything you want to add in general, I should say.
So not only is breathing good because if you don't do it, you'll die, but it's also really good because it can help sometimes decrease pain in the neck.
Yeah.
It can help promote better stability through your core. So there's a lot of benefits to breathing, and the way that we're going to do it today is teach you guys how to do belly breathing or diaphragmatic breathing. So you're going to demo?
That I am.
All right, so go ahead and lie on your back.
I can do that. I'm a great liar.
I don't even know if it's lie or lay, so are you lay?
I'm a great layer?
That can be taken in so many ways. All right, so the first thing we're going to do is assess your breathing pattern. So what I want you to do is put one hand on your stomach, one hand on your chest. I want you to take a breath in and see what happens. So what should happen, so let's go ahead and go through like a nice diaphragmatic breath. You should breathe in and your belly should expand full of air. Perfect. What should not happen is you take a deep breath in and it fills your chest full of air. Come on back down. Good. The reason that we don't want to do that is right now we're already stressed out, and when you take these big chest breaths or these short little shallow chest breaths, your body thinks it's being attacked, which makes you even more stressed out. So what we want to do is get your body breathing like a normal person, that you're not super stressed. We want it to be relaxed. So first thing that you're going to do is continue to take a nice deep breath. You could try to breathe in let's say anywhere from 4 to 8 seconds, so nice and slow. And as you're doing this, you want to feel that air go right into your hands. So he's got his hand on the stomach, he's feeling it right there. Perfect. Awesome.
You have such a gentle touch.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, probably good for me actually.
Another thing that we can do is remove your hands. You can take an object, place it right here, and try to breathe. And can you make the object go up and down? This is a little bit more advanced. You can use basically anything. Usually I use a 5-pound plate when I'm working with people to help with this.
The weight actually gives good feedback too.
Yep. You can close your eyes. And that is diaphragmatic breathing, or belly breathing, or breathing to relax, or teaching your body how to breathe so it doesn't feel like it's running from a bear, wild animal, or anything else being stressed. What's the routine?
That's a good question. I actually cannot remember. What is the routine? I'm supposed to remember this too.
Simple routine. You're feeling super stressed out. You can do this 2 ways. A, if you can't lie down, you can do it in a seated position.
Definitely.
Do it for a minute.
That's it. Simple enough.
Yeah. Or do it till you feel better.
Yeah. Absolutely. And this one is a great reset, guys. So if you're feeling overwhelmed, or you're feeling like writer's block, or you're feeling like you have a little stiffness in your body, this is a great reset. And you'll be surprised, not only does it help with clearing the head, but also like Dr. Ben said earlier, like your neck stiffness will clear up. Your low back stiffness will clear up, right? So do it throughout the day more than one time. Allow your body to really feel it.
Yeah, I would definitely make this a habit, a daily habit, especially when you're starting to feel stressed. And you may notice at first that it is extremely difficult to breathe through your belly. That's okay, that's normal. Once that pattern locks in, it becomes easier and easier to do, and then you don't think about it, and that's the way you breathe.
Yeah, don't give up on it.
Absolutely not. So, you can, if this is on, how are they viewing this?
So YouTube viewers, you can reach us at our email, which is
info@kirehab.com.
Well said. And if this is Instagram, you can just DM us. But moral of the story is reach out to us. We love to hear your questions. We love to help. That's what we do. That's why we started this business, and we want to hear from you. We want to help you. So please reach out. Love to hear from you guys. And I guess this is goodbye for now. Until next time.
Absolutely. Make breathing a habit.
Seriously though. Way to go, man.